My name's Jenny Griffiths. I'm chair of the Maelor Voluntary Service. We run cafes in the hospital. We're raising our mug on the big tea party today to give the staff of the Maelor Hospital a tea party with either tea, coffee, a scone or biscuits, depending on which they would like to have. We know how much the staff, patients, visitors value coming to have coffee in our cafes. To be open, even if it's only as a takeaway, it's just brilliant to be back, and we can move forward now and look forward to the future. I would like to say happy birthday to the NHS, and aren't we lucky in our country to have such a service as the NHS? It makes our country what it is.